Hi, Dyslexic Genius here. We're back on the 9. We're going to clean the spring barrels in the spring. I'm going to show you a few things. We've taken all the thick, gooey graphite off. The reason I use green grease, you see right there where my finger is, we have rust. So this is why you clean everything down. You don't soak it in gasoline. That's why I use green grease, because it has rust inhibitors in it. So we're going to use number 2 steel wool like this. We're going to use 50-50 mixture of simple green
and water.
and water.
Now, do you have the other part soaking in there?
Not yet. I'll show you here. So you're just going to come in here and you're going to scrub everything. And the problem with graphite grease and petroleum jelly that they put this stuff together with, you can see here where the plating is coming off. It just eats the plating off the machines, like right here in the center. You see the acid, what that does to things? And this is the oils also. And you have to get this totally clean. And you see this brown, this is the varnish off the old oil. And that stuff's a pain to get out. You will think this is rust, but it's not. What this is dried on grease. And you'll work and work and work all that. Now to do a spring, I'll just leave that in the bucket. To do a spring, the last video, no, we're not using this because we ordered 2 new springs for it. But I'm going to show you how to clean this. This will be the whole length of the spring. So what you'll do is you'll drop it in a bucket like that. Get it wet. Get the number 2 steel wool. Bend it in half. And now you're going to have to get in here. You see where this old grease is on the spring? Like right in here. You're going to have to get all that off. Like this. You want to get on the inside too. And you just keep doing this all the way down the spring till it's completely clean. Then you can wipe it down with a shop towel or use an air compressor to blow it off to clean it. And when you get there, now we can see nipper.
No, I can't. I got a shadow. I can faintly see nipper. Okay.
Mm-hmm. You get this all cleaned down. You might have it looks like an oil stain in it, but that's the manufacturing of the hardening of the spring. Everything in the phonograph now has to look like this. The spring barrels, the parts, the castings, everything has to be clean. Right down to the shaft that goes through the spring barrels like this. This has to be totally clean. No grease, no oil or anything.
You can clean it in that same bucket?
I can clean everything in the same bucket. when you take them apart, you'll see things like, this is the end casting. You see here, you see the wear marks in the brass. That should not be there. We have to remove that. So in videos down the road on this, I'm gonna show you how to fix all this. This is how you do a machine properly, and that's my tip for the day.